Loaded with creative features, the Singer Superb sewing machine offers 220 built-in stitches. The large backlit LCD screen provides clear and easy viewing of stitch functions, including stitch width and length, tension settings, and the recommended pressure foot. Decorative patterns add unique detailing to garments and home decor sewing. Easy machine threading gets you started on your projects in minutes, and the auto needle threader makes threading the needle quick and effortless. The bobbin loads from the top, so it's easy to insert. The clear cover makes it easy to monitor the thread supply. With 9 patterns to choose from, buttonhole sewing is a simple one-step process. The additional extension table provides a larger work area, essential for home decor and quilt projects. For those hard-to-reach areas, simply access the free arm for more sewing options. The Singer Superb features mirror imaging, adding even more stitch variety. Want to make a stitch longer yet keep the stitch intact? Select the elongation button, and stitches can be made up to 5 times longer. Add a monogram to personalize projects. Built-in block or script-style alphabets are available in upper and lowercase. 4 memory modules each hold up to 20 entries. Save names or stitch sequences, then retrieve them anytime you want to personalize your projects. Satin stitching and button sewing accessories are included with the machine. The Singer Superb has a variety of quilting features, including drop feed and a selection of specialized quilt stitches. Singer's signature heavy-duty aluminum frame means the internal rigid support holds all the mechanisms in perfect alignment for skip-free sewing and overall durability. Unplug the foot control, press the start button, and the machine sews. You are still in complete control over the speed, and with a maximum sewing speed of 750 stitches per minute, projects can be sewn quickly. Singer is sewing made easy.